Yeah. Now teka nkarhi lowu khensa munhu un'wana na un'wana la nga hoxa xiyandla vuton'wini bya mina hinkwavo lava nga tlanga role ya important lava nga ni pfuna ka swiyimo swin'wana swo ka ni nga ta hindza ni ri one munhu hi munhu hi vanhu Timbana. Now I'm about to swallow my pride. Shout out to your B, cause my lembenzaku, there's something you did for me. PHB boys, the time near party a crew. Forever records and recording the track of you. Just like it's over. Your foundation, utange role cool, but church kuna partition. Separate beef, still until kuwa. And at with this security, sondan until we die. Lay daria me, when I look at the book, I think about tabs. How for 90 hook, ni composer umastara to create the beat. Na quality I poor but the chucha the hit. And they might be don't na manager, it like my fame. I got thank you, got ready, but we were best in the game. Go in an hour, don't got it on it to suicide. Cause I need the safe and everyone is for you and I. Go bankar in the star, come it came to me. With the opportunity gave me a chance to sing. On a lumber computer, look like to the dust. Million may you be open, could develop a trust. Together I create a brain force production. Even though I lost tongue like temporary construction. So your beat ups a boy me dreshia divan. Mena cancer cause mono imono hivano. Honestly even that me cancer jack. When me party a story shop to me jame. We thank the role so I appreciate that. So na Steve Akuri mono imono hivano. And for sure even got me chela in. When I pray that me fly at the squambusha me. I'm gonna put na go and ngata inza everyone. So na Steve Akuri mono imono hivano. Johnny I'm a friend back and sign it twice. And sungula na kusfela ku music was nice. Only put name off, got the different places. He promoted so that people can witness our faces. My best brother, you used to care. I think about the advice that we used to share. 2 fingers samoyen, people know the sign. Even though I'm not gonna still twice will shine. And I have to go a little bit to BNB. I'll travel from Tanin to PHB just to visit me. The kind of love I feel. Your heart is real. Every day I want push out to open my eyes. They want the member of the team. They don't want me to rise. I want to like never careful, cause I'm a target. Langako, I want runs it, they just want my talent. And took my single tava me, or maybe a brother. Since the trial died, and now you more than a father. Learning swallow in your life. So deep, but Purongo had to call me when I go to sleep. And we spend them go for when it comes to me. I shouldn't try to supula so everybody can see. So big him judge, BNB na masink. Should even look men a cancer, cause mono imono hivano. Honestly even that me cancer jack. When me party a story shop to me jame. We thank the role so I appreciate that. So na Steve Akuri mono imono hivano. And for sure, even got me chela in. When I pray that me fly at the squambusha me. I'm gonna put na go and ngata inza everyone. So na Steve Akuri mono imono hivano. I'm never lonely and I never sad. Maranta go we are back with this girl very glad. So go on come so it's true. And I realize what my people did to you. I never job a better way. Girl, it's a shame. Karun runs up but they try to blackmail your name. How suspect? I can feel your pain when you cry. It goes to Meron with the same pain. My situation just came to frustrate your brain. How love I maintain was on day female. And I want to understand it, cause our name. Our care couldn't broke and this one was strong. Unfortunately, our love couldn't last for long. Then I take a bullet for you. I wish you can see, but that's how dangerous love's supposed to be. Now Sean, so when I like it, a quick fame. After long comment, decide the good nickname. What's on Zukai, Kongela Sulos for my tongue. The time, wish for land, etlema sanguine. I can picture Garun Shakalamuri, what in Anga, Kanunga, Unganyan, Kunitoa Timbanga. So gladness, Meron Nations, I appreciate that. Cause mono imono hivano. Honestly even that me cancer jack. When me party a story shop to me jame. We thank the role so I appreciate that. So na Steve Akuri mono imono hivano. And for sure a ni swi tivi ni nga mi byela yini when I pray ni ta mi hlaya ta xikwembu xa me le mi nga ni pfunako a ni nga ta hindza ni ri one so na swi tiva ku ri munhu i munhu hi vanhu. Now I have to say shout out to DJ Teka, Mr. Mabandla, Mr. Makongela, Mr. Shikweni, Manjulida, na Gogo Mlungu Ntima kwala ka Xihoko, But Peter Baloyi, Mr. Ngobeni Andres, ni ri na cancer xikombo xi mi katekisi xi mi ngetelela masiku ya ku hanya. Me ni hundzele mavokweni ya vanhu va ku tala, that's why mi tele ngopfu mi nga ni pfuna ni nge koti ku mi hlaya ka nghoma ku yi nga leha. But if you know ku tshama u ni endlela something vuton'wini swi tivi ku Mthimbani u ri wa cancer the challenges ti ni dyondzise vutomi ni dyondze swo tala. Now I know ku munhu i munhu hi vanhu for real yani impela.